Are silicone-free shampoos really good? Today, let's take a closer look at the truth about silicone oil and see if it's the invisible killer of hair. Silicone oil, the star ingredient in the hair care world, excels in repairing damaged cuticles on the surface of the hair thanks to its good viscosity and ductility. Not only does it improve the slippery and wet combability of the hair, but it also significantly improves the dry and combable feel of the hair in recent years. The concept of silicone-free shampoos has become all the rage, and many businesses have claimed to have entered the silicone-free era of shampoos. But is that really the case? In fact, silicone oils are not superior to non-silicone oils, they just provide a different hair care experience. Silicone-free shampoos are more suitable for certain people, such as those with thin hair, short hair, or sensitive scalps. It makes hair fuller and reduces the risk of allergies. However, for those with healthy scalps who often perm and have dry, split-end hair, silicone oil shampoo may be a better choice. It provides smooth, manageable hair that will leave your hair shiny. It's all about how you use it. When we use shampoo, most of the silicone oil is rinsed off by the water, and only a very small part is deposited on the surface of the hair. Studies have shown that no more than 20% of the silicone oil in shampoos is deposited on the surface of the hair, which is a tiny fraction of the oil secreted by the scalp itself. So, how can you tell if a shampoo contains silicone oil? It's as simple as looking for the ingredient list and looking for the term dimethicone. So, the next time you shop for a shampoo, make a choice based on your hair type and needs. Whether silicone or non-silicone, finding the one that suits you best is all about it. Remember, rumors stop at the wise. Let's take care of your hair scientifically and have healthy and beautiful hair.